Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make crab using paper, full guide. Start by folding a square sheet diagonally into a triangle, then crease sharply to form a sturdy base, and keep edges aligned as you work through valley and mountain folds to shape legs and claws, using careful, gentle presses to create crisp creases that hold the model together for display or play. Have fun customizing colors and sizes to suit your taste. Begin with the triangular base and secure creases firmly so folds stay reliable during shaping. Work methodically from the center outward, forming the body first, then the legs by folding narrow strips and adjusting angles. For claws, make precise narrow folds and reverse creases to add thickness. Keep hands steady, test fit parts without glue, and only use small amounts of adhesive where needed to maintain a clean, paper-only aesthetic. Practice makes better results when attempting complex folds. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more craft tutorials. I recently picked the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while crafting. It seals well, fits cup holders, and has a handy spout for quick sips between folds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one to keep your work area tidy. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on symmetry when shaping claws so both sides match and the crab appears balanced. Curl tip edges gently to mimic natural curves, and tuck small tabs into pockets to lock parts without heavy glue. Reinforce leg joints with layered paper strips if you plan to handle the model. Finish by trimming uneven edges and adding eye details for character. Display on a flat base or suspend with thin thread for a playful mobile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.